I just woke up right now. It is 9:30 in the morning. If you can't tell, I don't like waking up this early, but I'm trying to get stuff done. So I don't even know why I'm recording this intro, because I'm acting like I'm not gonna record an intro outside. But I made it, so y'all gonna have to suffer through it.
Yeah.
The metallic. And this stuff looks like amazing.
I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, that shit is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely.
What's up, you guys? My name is Adam. That is my 370Z, and if you can't tell by Tyler's video already, which I'm not quite sure what it's gonna be, but we are doing something to my car that changes the complete look of it for pretty cheap. It's not gonna be my cheapest mod video, but for the price, I think y'all will like it. So stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna go mount 2 new rear tires. I'm just gonna mount 2 new rear tires because these are junk, and we'll get on with the process. So let me put my tires in the car and show you how I do that, because it's quite a miracle how I make it happen. So anyways, let's get to it. All right, well, this is how I'm pretty much taking the tires. It's all good. So let me hit y'all with the cold start, because it is cold. So of cold starts, okay? So let's get it, boy. Alright, so pretty much in today's video, I recently stumbled upon this product called Super Wrap, okay? And hear me out, you know, I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments saying, oh, plastic dip this, plastic dip that. No. Listen, this is the most hardcore version of plastic dip you'll ever find. Like, I'm talking, like, they call it Super Wrap for a reason. This stuff is insane. Like if y'all follow me on my Instagram, which is @zblurry, I've already done 1 wheel in this stuff, and it looks literally amazing. And that's not even with the metallic coat that I'm gonna do on the next set. But I mean, if you're not picking up what I'm putting down yet, I'm pretty much doing all 4 my wheels this video. So I'm gonna take y'all through the process. I'm gonna show y'all the product. It's really loud in here because the hatch is open, and like, listen to this. But it sounds oh so good. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm gonna make all 4 my wheels white. The one wheel that I did do, I only did an Arctic white, which is one of their whites, but they have 2 whites. They have an Arctic white, which is like a really, really white, and they have like a Fiji white, which is like their metallic series. So I did their Arctic white on 1 wheel, and now I'm gonna do the Fiji white for the rest of the 4, while I'm gonna redo the 1, and we're gonna see how it compares. I think the Fiji white's gonna look really good from the pictures that I saw. It has a nice metallic look to it, and it shines like nothing else. So I'm actually so hyped. So yeah. Right now I'm on my way to the tire shop to get these 2 tires put on, because I got more stuff coming. It's not just this. I got another video next week coming for y'all, finishing up this whole semi-temporary build for y'all. But with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all at the tire shop. Alright, so I didn't really record much, but as you can tell, I am here at the tire shop, and I have my tires put on. And damn, do they look good. I love how meaty they are, yo. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Matches the front. Oh, I love a meaty setup. Probably look a lot better aired out too. Anyways, guys, I'm about to get in alignment and then going home and finishing the project. Catch y'all then. Alrighty, guys. So I got all 4 my wheels off. I kind of didn't really record it because it's not like something y'all would be interested in seeing anyways. Got all 4 wheels right here. I'm only gonna do these two because I just got new tires mounted on these and I can't get the duct tape to stay. I can't mask them because the tires are too greasy, and I don't really feel like scrubbing them right now. So I'm gonna do these two. What's up, Matt?
What's up?
These two. I'm gonna redo that one because I got the metallic finish, and I'm gonna do that one. So I released the fronts, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna slap on some tire stickers and finish the rear. All right. So first step.
Wow, look at me. You got it.
Aw, thanks, man. Is it good?
Yeah, you're good now.
Okay. Am I cute?
Yeah.
First step, you want to shake the can vigorously. Actually, well, really the first step is you spray. Preparation spray comes in the kit. It kind of smells like acetone sort of kind of deal. So you spray it on, let it sit for a minute, you wipe down the wheel. This wheel right here, I let sit for a minute. So I'm about to wipe it down. It just gets any, you know, contaminant particles out from off the surface. All right. And I will not be masking off the barrels because, long story short, I'm gonna do the barrels. 1 minute. There we go. All right, now we're starting. So we finna hit him with a,
She's not the best lighting. Come down here.
All right. So, first coat's on. You wait about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry and you hit it with about 5 more coats after that. So I'm not gonna bore y'all too much. So I'm gonna just get back to y'all when the coats come in. Yeah. I'm not even gonna touch my camera with that one, but so I have 5 coats on each. 5 coats on each, and I actually just hit it with the Fuji white. This is pretty much the metallic. And this stuff looks like amazing. I don't know if you could like pick that up, but I don't think you can. Kind of want to shine my flashlight on and see if it. Nah, you can't tell. Not yet, at least. But I gotta hit this about 4 to 5 times as well. After I do that, I will come back on y'all. I will hit it with gloss, put it back on the car, and I'll show you exactly how it looks. All right, so. All right, so I put about 4 layers of the gloss, and I'm gonna just show y'all real quick. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can even see that, but. No, I don't think the camera can pick it up. Oh yeah, I can right there. Look at that. All right. And I haven't even applied the gloss yet, so I mean, it's gonna come out pretty nice. I'm only doing the front 2 wheels. I don't know if I told y'all, because the back 2 wheels, I couldn't get the tape to stick out because the tire's too greasy because I just mounted it. My friends are helping me.
Friend.
My friend and my girlfriend.
There you go.
I'm gonna link a description. I'm gonna link a description. I'm gonna link something in the. What?
Sorry.
See you, Doc.
See ya.
Woo!
Damn it.
But yeah, so I'm still working on it.
There you go.
I'm gonna leave the item in the description. It's called Super Wraps, all right? And if y'all ever decided to switch colors of wheels or switch colors of anything, or black out your roof, black out your side mirrors, hit them up and get a kit. I promise you, y'all will not regret it. This is like the highest end of do-it-yourself kit you can do. I am absolutely in love with it, and I will do the rest of my car whenever, you know, I have time to clean all 4 of my wheels and that and whatnot and not. But yeah, it looks freaking great. Super Wraps, thank y'all so much. Do it again, Doc. I love it. I love it. like I said, hit the link in the description, and I will link y'all to their website, and y'all can pick whatever you want to do, wheels, mirrors, whatever you want. It shows you how to do it. Pretty much 4 to 5 coats. You mix the can for about a minute and let it dry for 10-15 minutes between each coat. Gloss, same deal. And that's pretty much a basic how to do it. I didn't really bore y'all too much with actually doing it, but look at me, look.
What's up?
Wow.
Alright, stop.
Wow. Give me. Oh my god. Also, guys, I want to mention a quick side note. Super Wrap's customer service is absolutely amazing. So I got in the package, one of my cans was broke. The shipping company, I guess, wasn't really taking the best care of it, and you know, one of the items broke. You know, it happens, whatever. They were so nice enough, they would actually sent me 2 extras so I could finish the project. They said, hey, it's our fault, you know, here's 2 extra ones. So I applaud them for that. Super Wraps, thank you so much for that, by the way. I appreciate that. You know, customer service is one of the biggest things in a company, and you guys have that nailed down pat. So guys, like I said, 100% recommend this company. Go hit them up, link in the description. Yeah, I love y'all. Alrighty, so I let everything dry. Right now I'm just removing the masking tape. A quick tip when actually removing the masking is stick a card in. I'm gonna try not to show my card like that. Obviously I'm not gonna show you my card. Alright, so as you can tell, that is the finished product. I'm gonna try to throw these on before the sun sets so we can get a nice glimpse of how maybe it's kind of getting kind of dark. So we're gonna see maybe if we can get the sparkle on camera. Let's go. Alright, I got all wheels on. Time to lower the car. Get this. That's 1. That's 2. And she's on the ground. Alrighty guys, also real quick, so I got this dope ass shirt, right? And you know, you're looking at it like, oh, it's just a black shirt, but you know, it fits pretty nice. But check this out. That's actually sick. Look at this. So this is like, the quality on this thing is dummy nice, and it fits nice. Like this large, I'm usually a medium, but this large just like, it fits me so nice, and slam it on it. I don't know, I fuck with it heavy, guys. I just want to let y'all know though, if y'all check out the link in my bio, this will be the second link in my video, y'all can get this shirt, and if you use my code and my link, you get 15% off. I just want to let y'all know, I don't sponsor anything on this channel unless I absolutely love it, and no cap, I really like this shirt, and you get 15% off when you use my code. So go check it out. It's nice. Like it fits so nice. Like I can't wait to wear this out. Ooh, shimmy with it, shimmy with it. Look at it, boom, with the Benjamin Franklin. Plus you could pick any saying you want. There's drift it, there's slam it, there's anything you want, really. There, anything you could think of pretty much is on the back of this. So yeah, so this is just the first of many shirts. I will keep y'all updated. I know y'all gonna love these shirts. These things fit nice. I know y'all, I'm a little bigger of a guy, so you know, to have a shirt that fits me like this is kind of hard. So like I said, hit the link in my bio, 15% off. Go check it out. I love y'all. With that being said, I also want to show y'all something pretty cool. So I don't know if y'all know. So I don't know if y'all knew this, but I actually lost my Halo remote, and I bought this $5 kit at Walmart to like, it's like an LED strip to like light up the back of my like TV or something. And lo and behold, did I mention I lost my Halo remote? Yeah, I did. This remote for up there actually oddly enough, if I hit off, it turns on. So yeah, this remote actually works for my Halo. As you can see, only one of them is working. The wiring, I guess, I lost my fender liner, so the wiring on that one got completely shredded. I think it's salvageable. I think I'm gonna be able to fix that, so I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, I think that's crazy. Like, I mean, it makes, fuck. Oh my gosh, I put it in backwards and now it won't come out. Bro, are you Anyways, guys, with that being said, there's the wheels. Hit up Super Wraps. Hit the link in my bio to get a kit for yourself. They are amazing. Can I shine a little light on here for y'all so y'all can see the beauty? The beauty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but Lord, this is some shine. And I got the little yellow, little Volk accent on there. I think it looks amazing. Can't wait to the rears. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Comment what you guys want to see me do next to the 370Z, whether boost it or make it static and slant it. I don't care. Just comment something. Show me what y'all are interested in. Alright, guys. I'll look out of death. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Jump out the Rari to jump out the reef and I hop on my shoulder and hop on some bait. They jump out the face.